Grant Metal Products is a state-of-the-art metal fabrication plant. Precision-made sheet metal products are manufactured for the commercial construction, cladding, sign supply, and other industries.
Whether you order 1 or 10,000, we maintain a strong commitment to product quality and accuracy.
Grant Metal Products is located near Calgary, Alberta. The plant is 5 minutes from major transportation routes. It's 10 minutes from the Calgary International Airport. A 55,000 square foot plant houses inventory, manufacturing, shipping, and management under one roof. Decision-making is fast-tracked, high standards of quality control are maintained, and turnaround targets are easily met. The heart of the fabrication process is a 3-component Prima Power manufacturing cell. The first component is the fully automated material handling system that makes the entire operation seamless.
A key component is the night train storage and handling system. It retrieves and loads flat sheets for processing in the Shear Genius and robotic press brake. 130 cassettes can be used to store flat sheets. They can also be used to store product parts.
The second component is the Shear Genius. The name says it all. It does punching, forming, shearing, and unloading in one smooth operation. The unit can fabricate a high volume of work in a short period of time. Third is the E-Bender robotic press brake. It automatically loads metal, processes it, and then unloads fabricated parts made to exact specifications. The unit can fabricate a high volume of work in a short period of time. As a fully equipped shop, manually operated press brakes, shears, and specialized machines are also available. A number of different size shears include a 14-foot quarter-inch capacity unit. The PEM-Serter Series 4 press inserts fasteners into pre-punched holes in aluminum or steel. For those tough jobs, the Scotchman 65-ton ironworker cuts heavyweight steel and aluminum. It can shear flat iron plates or preformed angle iron. It also does notching and punching. Products produced by Grant Metal can be found in some of the most architecturally remarkable buildings in North America and beyond. Grant is equipped to respond to unique designs, sizes, shapes, budgets, and timelines without compromising product integrity or consistency. If you have a wild design concept, there's a good possibility Grant Metal can fabricate it. The sign industry also depends on Grant for sign blanks of all shapes and sizes. Road signs, building signs, and wayfinding signs are all manufactured by Grant Metal. A large inventory of anodized pre-painted aluminum sheets means you don't have to wait for material to be ordered and shipped in. For example, if you're a glazing company, we manufacture fascia panels, spandrel panels, back pans, architectural panels, brake shapes, laminated panels, base anchor angles, and stiffeners for vinyl windows. Material is in storage ready to fill your order. Our shipping area is big enough to accommodate truck and trailer units. Unloading raw material and loading finished product all takes place indoors, which protects your order from the elements. Call Grant Metal Products today. We take pride in finding solutions to unique manufacturing challenges. No project is too big or too small.